Oh my God! It's time to do our nails. All right, what's up guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Do you guys even recognize me like this? Look at this. I know, I have no nails. It's so weird. I literally feel like a different person. To not have my signature claws on, oh my God, I feel like, I don't even know, I feel so weird. But anyways, today I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how I do my nails at home because anyone can do it, even an unlicensed, unprofessional like me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to do that step by step for the perfect, fabulous mani at home. So here we go, kids. By the way, do you guys like this makeshift table? You know, my really professional filming studio. I have got to move and get a better setup. But anyways, okay, so you gotta get your kit all situated and your at-home salon all done up. So here is what we're gonna use. I cannot stand the look of my bare nails, so we're gonna wear fabulous gloves for this. But anyways, everything we're using today is from a company called Macart. They are fabulous. They're the best for at-home nail salon. Like, we have a full at-home nail salon in here. Haha, your nail lab in a box, quite literally. So yeah, we have everything we need in here to get started.
So huge shout out to Macart for sponsoring this video and giving me all the goodies we need.
We're gonna use the Birds of Paradise collection today because you guys just know I love birds. And honestly, I figured, like, you know, since this is a nail tutorial video, I would try something, dare I say, different than my usual signature nude, just to make it a little more exciting. So I think we might do like a hot pink or something, cool nail design art, whatever I really feel like doing, I guess. But yeah, the world is at my fingertips. Get it? Fingertips, nail tips. Okay, I'll stop. All right, so here is everything out of the box, so you guys can see it better. But basically, this is what we're going to be using. This is so aesthetically pleasing with the glove. Wow, work. I look like a very sexy crime lord. But okay, these are the full-size nails. This is what we're going to be using to make the press-on nails. So you can see there they are. Comes with the glue. Our gel polish set.
You can see we got lots of fun different colors here. We got pinks and reds and greens and vibrance. Just vibrance all around. Oh, like a toucan.
Next, we got the nail decor set.
Glitters and rhinestones and bears, oh my. Okay, no bears, but stickers and, you know, basically anything else fun you need. We also got, of course, the nail rhinestone glue. Special glue for that, so.
Out of context, this looks like nothing, so I'm gonna show it to you all set up. We got our Minnie Mouse set nail lamp. And that's all we need to get started. So, let's get started. Step numero uno. Take off your gloves. And just embrace your bare fingers. Easier said than done. I feel like I have little nublet hands. So this is what my hands look like with no nails. Terrifying, but there you go. Now you have that as blackmail. All right, so first thing we gotta do is have a little try on fashion party and see which nail tips fit on our fingers. You can see, I'll just try them on. That's pretty good. You want it to fit like nice and tight at the base, so you can just test them out like that. So these are all the ones that are gonna end up fitting on my fingers. Voila. And then obviously I doubled it because I have two hands. You following so far? Okay, good. So next, how we're going to paint these is by not just like free balling whatever. We're gonna set them up on these little things. So you can see this is a little, like a tripod except for your nails. These are magnetic, so you can actually just snap those right on there so they sit in place and, you know, don't move. You can take a little bit of this. This is like putty, and you can just stick it on the top of there. Then you can press the nail tip on there. Boop! So now it has a nice little stand for us to paint on. So ta-da! Now you can see them all lined up all beautifully on there. Gorgeous. Simply fabulous, darling. Obviously, they have any color you want. I'm gonna go with light pink because I just like baby pink. I set up the little portable UV lamp over here, but you can see it looks like this, kind of like a little spaceship. Woo, alien time. It just plugs into the wall like a phone, so anyways, you just press on it to turn it on. Space alien has landed! By the way, you guys, I can't believe I'm gonna actually get to use this now, finally. This weird thing I bought at Five Below is finally gonna come in handy. So, you ready for this filming? Now that's an angle. POV fabulosity. All right, so with the help of this, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and do one at a time so you can see it better, but
You can see I literally just go ahead and I'm gonna paint it on. No real technique is happening here. I'm just legitimately painting it. I'm no professional painter, but it's super easy. It actually just automatically kind of is even, which is amazing. I'm actually gonna show you a little closer up here too, but like I said, it literally, you just kind of paint it on and you're done.
so you can see I migrated it under there so it can cure. It'll automatically shut off when it's done, and then voila! We have one cured nail. Fabulous. So we're gonna put that one to the side and finish the rest.
So put the rest of those little babies in their little tanning booth there.
Ta-da! All right, so there you go. You can see actually this is what they would look like if you didn't put any designs on them. They're basically all ready to go. Obviously, you could just say you're done and press them on like this, but we're gonna decorate them with some glitter. Y'all know I'm a hoe for glitter. We're gonna go ahead and put some rhinestones on them.
Go ahead and take the nail rhinestone glue. This glue is super great because when you put it on, it doesn't automatically dry. It has to be cured. So, you know, if you screw it up a little bit, you can just redo it. Little dollop on there, dollop a daisy. And go ahead and put the little rhinestone on there.
Put it under there again so the rhinestone cures. Then that is literally set in stone there. See, I went ahead and popped them off these little guys, and now they look like this. So that's my little set there. Now that we're done being artisans, we just literally pop them on our nails. Super easy.
So we're just gonna take the nail glue and literally you can see I'm just gonna kind of put it all over my nail. You can also put it on the press-on nail if you want, but I just find this to be easier. So I stick it on there, press it on a little bit, and
looks crazy. Hello. Don't worry, I'm gonna file them. Though honestly, just leaving them like this is very much a look. I'm like Cardi B, but not. And you can see they're all pressed on there. Oh my, wow, hello, work. But yeah, you can see they're all pressed on there. Looking good. Tiger Queen, I'm Carol Baskin. I don't know what accent that is. Okay, so now I just have to obviously file them because this is a little much. So, ooh, I love that. Bad bitch noises.
so you can see them all along there. Obviously, I'm just gonna take normal nail trimmers and trim the tips off there a little bit until they're a little bit shorter, more manageable.
All right, so now they're all a little bit more reasonable in length. I'm just gonna go ahead and file them.
Take a little nail file. They give you one in the kit, and you can file them to any shape you want. I personally am gonna go with coffin for these, but usually I do have them in a nice stiletto almond shape, but totally up to you. You file them down into any shape that suits your fancy.
Oh my God, who is she? Work it, honey. I'll delete that. Or not, who knows?
And ta-da, you can see the end. Look at how good they look. Oh my God, you would never ever know that these were just done in my house in 20 minutes.
I'm just standing outside my apartment doing this. Okay, anyways.
As you know, I always say, are you ready for a pun? I freaking nailed it. God, I am hilarious and so cheesy.
So there you have it, you guys. That is how I do my nails at home. Like I said, you can do them any color, any style, literally anything, and no one would ever know that you didn't pay $200 at the salon. Now that's what I call professionally unprofessional. Of course, again, huge shout out to McCart for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so very much. Thank you for the life hacks. If you guys want to shop too, you can use my code for 15% off. Holla for $1, baby. Whatever color, shape, style, fancy you want, well, you can get it. Isn't that nice? Wow, endless possibilities in life. Hope, faith, that's what the world is built on. Okay, fine, I'm done being cheesy. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for all sorts of more crazy, wacky beauty DIY tips, hacks, life, shopping, and weird deranged advice. I love you guys. Kisses till next time. XO. Oh, look at the aesthetic of that. Mwah, mwah. Oh, darling. Mwah. Okay, I'm really done.
That's what I call nail fashion. Oh, honey.